People don't think in the right direction and waste their energy. Some people wasted their energy trying to understand me. I want to make up for their wasted time by learning today's information. I am a Brahmin and says Sandil was my ancestor. I have awaked a part of my sage ancestor qualities through the practice of seven chakras, which is why I am able to see many things. There is the difference between speaking after thinking and speaking after seeing. Knowing and expressing after seeing is part of philosophy. Today I will share some principles that no under philosophy has considered, but these principles will open your eyes. First principle, in nature all living beings except human go through four stages of aging and material objects go through two. Second principle, just as living beings have for the stages of life, childhood, adolescence, youth, and old age, similarity, matter has youth and old age. Third principle, there is no understage after old age. Later, the term of the organism or substance takes on the past tense. Fourth principle, if according to modern science, nature on earth is considered to be inanimate matter, then at the time of the beginning of life on earth we cannot see single celled organism and only vegetation in their youth, because its development has taken place according to four stages. Therefore, it would be correct to believe that entire nature is also a living structure. Fifth principle, only the Vedas have given the term living to nature in the ancient scriptures. Hence, it is proved that the statements of the Vedas are the result of extensive research. If nature on earth is living, then what is this state of nature and present? Principle number 6, childhood, the period of development. Adolescence, the period of training and experimentation. And youth, the period of effort. Old age, the period of decline. Now the present is considered a period of decline because since human separated from the animal world and became human. Approximately 2000 years ago, nature entered a state of decline. Seeing human ambition, the senses separated themselves from human society and engaged the extensive research to stop the decline of nature. The senses knew that it was unstoppable. The senses knew that it was unstoppable, but they could yet least empire humans to consider and act on this aspect. After them, the sages told their distance that these Vedas contain the knowledge of Brahman. What is the Brahma mean? It means that what we observe based on our experiment is true. People use term Brahma Satya to honor the truth. Whenever you are 40 years old, your body will begin to deteriorate initially because the rate of deterioration is slow. You don't take this seriously. If you see for the hairs, you dye them. Why do you dye them? Why do you dye them? Because you don't want society to think you are old. There is another thing. In the pursuit of ostentation, you even forget to acknowledge that you have entered old age. When human civilization began, they wrote the Mimamsas and Ayurvedas. The meaning of the Vedas. Simplify the meaning of the Vedas. Even then, human society was less willing to accept it, so they said more. Their future generation made it their livelihood. Even those who tried to save nature got busy earning the living, and the purpose of the Vedas was lost. When most human became a factor in the degradation of the nature, the pace of its degradation increased. When someone researches a Saturn is, they realize that they have become old. They truly realize that they have become old. From there, the pace of deterioration increases, and gradually the person moves toward complete inactivity. I am the searching for Facebook states that the Satyug will begin on this earth after these 4 yugas. Kalyug refers to the fourth age of life, field nature on earth, that is old age. Just as the soul takes birth in a new body after leaving the body, similarly the consciousness of nature will leave its earthly body and start life on some other planet. Therefore, understand that Kali Yuga will end on this earth, after which Satyug will come again. This will happen only when the earth once again gets warm and prepares itself for a new body. And once again the life consciousness from some other planets will come out and of fear like children in their childhood. Now stay ready for the next video where I will tell you what is the current situation on Mars according to this principle. Is there life there or not? If there is, then how? If not, then how? So, thank you.